Building an email list is one of the most important steps if you want to grow your business or audience online. An email list allows you to reach your audience directly, share updates, promotions, or content, and build a relationship with people who are interested in what you do. But starting from zero, that can feel difficult if you don't know where to begin. In this video, I will show you how to build an email list from scratch in a simple way, so even beginners can understand and start immediately. An email list is basically a group of people who have given you the permission to send them emails. These are people who like your content, your products, or your service. Unlike social media, where algorithms control who sees your posts, email gives you direct access to your audience. This is why email marketing is considered one of the most powerful way to grow your business and make sales. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow your audience and revenue with simple tools and strategies. In today's video, we will learn how to build an email list from scratch so you can start collecting subscribers and connecting with your audience. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to try email marketing platforms and free tools. By using the description link, you will get access to free trials and special features that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first step is to choose an email marketing platform. There are many platforms like MailChimp. By the way, in this video, for better understanding, I will show you in MailChimp. And there are many platforms like ConvertKit or Sendinblue that help you to manage your subscribers and send emails easily. Most of these platforms offer a free plan for beginners, so you can start without paying anything. And you can sign up for one of those platforms and create your account, and the process will be similar. Once you create an account, you can create a list or audience inside the platform. This is where all your subscribers' emails that will be stored. Next thing is, you need a way to collect your emails from your audience. You can do this with a sign-up form. A sign-up form is a box where people enter their email to subscribe. You can put this form on your website, blog, landing page, or even share it on social media. Make the form simple, ask for only the name or email. The simpler it is, the more people will fill it out. Many email platforms let you create the forms and give you a link or embedded code to put it on your site easily. Another strategy is to offer something valuable in exchange of emails. This is called a lead magnet. It can be a free guide, an ebook, a checklist, a discount, or a free course. People are more likely to give you their email if they get something useful in return. For example, if you have a blog about business, you can create a PDF guide called the 5 tips to grow your business, like this kind of, and you can offer it for free when someone subscribes. Once your form is ready and your lead magnet is set, you need to promote it. You can share your sign up link on social media, include it in your YouTube description, or mention it in your blog post. If you have a website, put the form in multiple places like the homepage, blog sidebar, and footer. The more visibility, the more chance of people will subscribe. Next, think about the automation. Most email marketing platforms let you create automated welcome emails. This means when someone subscribes, they automatically receive a welcome email thanking them and delivering the lead magnet. Automation saves you time and makes your audience feel valued right from the starting point. It's also important to be consistent. Don't just collect the emails and forget your list. You can send the regular emails also in the automation with helpful content, tips, updates, or offers. If your audience see you delivering the value regularly, they will stay engaged and trust you more. Another tip is to segment your audience as your list grows. Segmentation means dividing your subscribers based on their interest and actions. For example, if some people downloaded a guide about social media and others about email marketing, and you can send each group email that match their interest. This improves the engagement and makes your emails more effective. Also, remember to follow the email rules. Always get the permission to send emails, include an unsubscribe options, and avoid the spamming people. Following these rules build the trust and keeps your email list healthy and active. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video helped you to understand better, then give it a like and share it with someone who is trying to make the email list for their business. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.